What a day.
Good morning, Mom.
Mm.
Why answering me like that? What's wrong?
I woke up, you people have finished bread for me. Seriously?
Oh.
Supa Loaf, mmenimalizia.
This is what is making you angry. I can
Yes.
get you another Supa Loaf. We have more in the supermarket.
If you
Don't
can
be
buy for
angry.
me.
I was on my way out, but I can go and bring it for you. Cheer up. I'm going to bring for you. Okay? Okay.
Mimi naona ningoje Supa Loaf yangu. Eish, napenda Supa Loaf jamani. Wacha tu ningoje. Tateremka vizuri na chai yangu.
Few moments later.
Nasi amekawia sana huyu. Lakini wacha nisifikirie vitu zangu mimi.
Much later.
Oh, I got you your bread. Here.
Thank you so much.
But I hope you're happy now. Let
I'm
me go.
very happy.
Bye. I'm running late.
Okay, have a nice day. Say hello to your sister. Bye. Hi, this is Vicky, the face behind Vicky's Kenyan Kitchen. I'm from work and I couldn't resist not buying Supa Loaf. The reason why I love Supa Loaf is because they have varieties to choose from. You can buy brown bread and white bread. And it has been on the market decades. They still maintain the standards, the quality and the taste. Mkate si mkate, mkate ni Supa Loaf. Never say bread, say Supa Loaf.